Greetings, everyone, and welcome. Thank you for being here. In this video, I will be setting my hair with curl formers. I just recently retightened my 2-strand micro twist, and I am moisturizing it now with my aloe vera juice DIY mix. And I am about to seal that moisture with shea butter. I'll be greasing my scalp with my Nature's Blessings DIY blend, and I will be setting my twist with a foam mousse. This is my regimen, you guys. Pretty simple, and it's what works for me. So it's what I continue to do, plain and simple. Aloe vera juice, shea butter, grease, and I'm pretty much good to go. Massaging my head, my scalp is something I do on a daily, simply because it feels good. And when my hair is growing fast and constantly, my scalp tends to get a little sore, and I could feel that new growth popping out, and it just feels so good to massage. Here you see this is the foam that I am using. I hope you can catch the name of that. Botanicals shea butter, something like that. It's not sponsored, so if you didn't catch it, that's what it is. Here are the curl formers and the curl former stick that goes with it. I really love this invention. It's really great for stretching natural hair, 4C in particular, to stretch your hair out. It doesn't give you a total pressed stretch. You have still a little texture, but it gives you a nice stretch and a beautiful curl as well. The curl formers are made out of a netted plastic, which allows your hair to dry very fast. You want to use small to medium sections to allow your hair to dry fast. And also, you don't want to overstuff the curl formers. So a small to medium section like so is perfect. And you want to make sure you get it as close to your roots as possible to get that nice stretch at the roots. When you're putting your hair in the hook, you want to make sure all your strands are inside that hook before you start to pull that stick out, or you will have a terrible snag and possibly break your hair off. Curl formers come in 2 different colors, the ones that I have, and they are turned a particular direction. So you want to be mindful of what direction your curls are going to be setting in. I have my formers facing backwards, so my curl will be facing towards the back rather than going forward in my face. I've had these curl formers for over 10 years, about when they first came out. So I am using these. I'm breezing through this really fast because I'm well experienced at it. And someone broke my stick. As you see, I have it duct taped together, because you cannot do this without that tool. said, these curl formers allow your hair to dry really easily because it's basically a plastic net that's open, And so I'm just going to blow dry this. I could let it air dry as well, but I just wanted to dry quickly in one time. These are not the most comfortable curlers to sleep in. They are soft, but they can snag your roots when you're laying on them. As you see, taking them out is a breeze. You do want to press down and open the opening right there before you pull them out. You could snag your hair, and that one was a messed up former, so it can snag your hair too. You have to be careful. You can just pull them from the bottom, but it's best to squeeze open the top a little bit, then pull to prevent any snagging. The curls are very beautiful, but for me they are a little bit too tight, or either the hair is too short to be curled that tight. I don't know. I'm not really feeling the curl. I mean, I knew what the curl was going to give me, and I really don't care for that size curl, honestly, with short hair as mine is. If it was longer, I think I would love the curl better. So I am wrapping the curls around to stretch it a little bit and loosen those curls up. Just sliding my bonnet on, and yes, I turn my bonnet inside out to the satiny side because that's the side we need. I had it on for about 20 minutes, and it might have been a little bit too long because it's a little bit straight, but I still like it. It's loose, it has body, and it's not too bad. I just need to shake it into place, whip it back and forth a little bit.